Nausicaa on Nausicaa Vids, and today's theme is March's Loot Crate presents Marvel Gearing Goods. Okay, so this is Danger Room, and this box is actually kind of popping up, so there might be something big in it, or there might be more stuff. So let's see what it is. So here we have a Magneto hat, and it's a pretty big hat, and then here's his logo. So that's our first item, and you guys can take a look at that again. Okay, that's good. Okay, so moving on to what we have next. Next we have a water bottle. And it says BPA free. Okay. And I have no idea who that is. So you guys can tell me who that is down in the comments. Or we'll actually figure it out later. So I'll tell you guys that later. So you guys can actually pause the video right now, comment down below who you think this is, and then you'll find out at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So next we have a shirt, and let's see what it says. It's a size large. And it's also a pretty big shirt. And there's just some paper. And then it says, you Uncanny 63. And then it says, X-Men Athletic OEPT. And then 63. So let's wear this. I feel like I'm going to like something else. Okay. So I didn't use my magic powers on this because, well, it's going to be really fast for me to just put this on. So we have this whole entire gear. Okay, now moving on. So we also have really long socks that says marvel.com. Okay. And then it's Mystique gym socks. Yeah. And then here's like a picture of a skull. And then we have logo. So yeah. Now let's move on. So this is what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 items so far. Next we have the 5th item, which is the New Mutants pin. And the background is actually really cool. It's actually really good that they have this background. It kind of makes things stand out a little bit more. So yeah. I just felt like doing this because like I'll be wearing everything. Wait. Okay, so moving on. We have nothing else. Well, that was quite fast, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's the New Mutants Demon Bear, which is the pin. So we have that. Then we have the Mystique socks right here. Then we have the X-Men baseball tee right here. Then we have the Kitty Pride water bottle, so that's her name. If you guys got it correct, good job. And if you guys didn't, well, now you know. And then lastly, we have the Magneto Baseball Hat. They should have actually put this part on the outside so people can actually see it. Because like the people don't really see it because you guys can't see it right now, can you? Well, smash that or punch that subscribe button and press that like button if you like this video. And I'll be just like taking these guys for now so you guys can just inspect these things. And I'll leave this here just for fun. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!